Hi guys, my name is Faizalam and you're watching the Site Learning Center. Today we have the topic about bleeding in concrete. As you know very well about the concreting, many types of condition being raised by the concreting. So this is the one of the most important in the concreting, and this is the very harmful for the construction of structure. So let's begin. First we are going to start of the definition of the bleeding. After concreting any elements which water remains at top of the surface of the concrete is called bleeding in concrete. So after concreting the elements, slab, beam, column, etc. So the which water remains at top of the surface of the concrete is called bleeding. And when the water cement ratio more than 6%, the bleeding channel will be continued, and the how it will be the bleeding will be raised when the as per our code we have the maximum 0.6%, 0.6% water can be added in the mixed concrete. If we have the more than 6.6%, the bleeding will be raised. So this is the very most important techniques and most important for the construction. So and the few effects of the bleeding. While the concreting, we must know about this effect. Reduce the bonding with reinforcement and concrete, because if the concrete won't mix properly and it will not bond with each other, and concrete and reinforcement bonding will be reduced, and it might be effect of the structure, and reduce the bonding with aggregates and cement paste. And when the water cement ratio will be more the requirement, and then the aggregates and cement bonding won't be perfectly, so it may cause a problem to paste the concrete, and delay setting time also. Structure failure, this is one of the most important feature of the structure. So while the concreting, we must know these points. And how can I reduce the bleeding in concrete? So first, add minimum water content for concrete mix. So suppose we have the as per IS code, we can mix only 0.6% is maximum water in the concreting mix design. So if we will use the less than 0.6% or 0.5, so it may avoid the bleeding in the concrete. And use a mixture whenever you have the feeling the concrete is not better for concreting, then you can use admixture instead of water. Please avoid to use the more water in the concrete. It may be where's the effect for bleeding. And the point number three, this is the most important. Mix properly. Sometimes we have the material, everything perfectly as per requirement, and mixed not properly. So also it may cause a problem for effect of bleeding. As use fly ash. Use fly ash. If this is a fly ash also are very helpful to reduce the bleeding in concrete. So this point is very important. Please understand my point. I hope that you can understand my all points. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comment box, and subscribe and like my channel, and this video share as much as you can in your WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever you have the social media. Please share it, and subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.